Hi, I chose to do an outdoor video today because I'm not going to teach anything on the board in a classroom. Just thought of sharing with you some tips on how to develop your language, both speaking and writing. Before we begin, let me wish you all a very happy new year. It's the very first day of the new year, and today you can decide to do a whole lot of things. New Year resolutions. Everywhere you hear New Year resolutions, people deciding to do this and that. Sometimes you see New Year resolutions have become synonymous with something that is short-lived. Many people who begin the new year saying, I will do this, I will do that, I will accomplish this goal, they end up doing nothing. So maybe because they have set some unrealistic goals, or they didn't track their progress, or they got distracted and diverted, and they just stopped doing the essential things that need to be done. So let us see today 3 tips on how to develop your speaking and writing skills. The first one is read stories. Read a lot of stories. Stories meant for kids. Moral stories, animal stories, just 1-page stories or 2-page stories. But do it every single day. Now, why I tell stories is because stories are more related to life. You find real conversations happening there. Unlike the news reports you find in the newspaper, they are more related to life. Stories are a reflection of life. And when you read a story, you keep going till you reach the end. You want to know what happens in the end. You don't just stop in the middle and go off. That's why you see stories are definitely useful. And the second thing is watch an English movie every day. Like when I say movie, it's not a 3-hour full movie that I want you to watch. If you have the time, very good. But for those of you who don't have enough time to watch a full movie, you can watch 10 or 15 minutes, but every day. And you can listen to the characters speaking. You can also read the subtitles on the screen. Many people tell me before I come to the 3rd word, the sentence disappears and there's another new sentence there. So what to do with that? Just keep doing it till your reading speed increases. Everybody faces this problem, not just you. So anybody who starts doing something new faces some difficulty on the way. That's how it is. It's okay. I'm reminded of Robin Sharma's words at this moment. He says, change is very hard in the beginning, messy in the middle, and gorgeous in the end. So understand that this is the process. When you start doing it, you get frustrated at some point or the other. You don't feel like going forward, but it's okay. Keep going till you reach the end, because that's the reason why you started first of all. So watch an English movie just 10 to 15 minutes every day. The 3rd tip is get a good grammar book, a self-study book where you can study a particular aspect of the language and do some written exercises. If you have a key, it's better. You can check with the answers after you have completed the exercises. See where you have gone wrong, find out why you have gone wrong, and try not to make the same mistakes again. So these are the 3 tips I would like to share with you. Read stories, watch movies, and do exercises.